Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So you might remember this Union padlock from a couple of videos ago, and very nice padlock, very solid, very heavy, but core was a little bit mushy on the inside. Complete standard pins, nothing special. So I'm probably going to do this over a couple of videos. But my plan is to actually upgrade this and see what we can turn it into. Now we're keeping just standard key pins at the moment, not modifying any of the core or the Bible. So that's the key pins all back in, so nice and flush. And this is, bottom row is the original pins. Let's just get these off. And luckily enough, the American pins are virtually the same size. So what I'm going to stick in there for the moment is a spool, a serrated spool, then a serrated spool, serrated, and then a couple more serrated spools, and see how that goes. So let's now dropped all the springs, didn't plan on that. Stick these back in. Three. Six. 5. Seem to be missing one. There it is. That'll be number 4. Sorry about that. Right, let's get on with this. So we've got 5 and 6 at the back. We're going to stick a couple of serrated spools in there. Then we've got in 4 a serrated pin. So these are all at the moment just standard American pins going in. Serrated spool in 3. Serrated in 2. And a serrated spool in 1. Right, let's stick this. I should have rehearsed this a bit more. Let's make sure that is still correct. Looking good. And there we go. That's all back in. Sorry about that. Right, we've got this little clip on the back. That sits on there. Slot that back in there. then the Allen key. Tighten that one up. Unlock it. Another Allen key, so we'll tighten that. Back it off a fraction, and there we go. So that's all done, locked up. So let's get the pinning tray out of the way, get the vise in here. Adjust the camera and see what it picks like now. So where are we? Somewhere about there. Adjust the light. So we go in there with the bottom of the keyway. And in with the pick. So nothing on one. Right, we've got a click on 2 and a very slight movement on the core. I think that was 4, which gave us a bit more movement, so we have actually got a full set. I can't actually get under 5, let's see. Alright, we've got counter rotation there. That's 1 hopefully. 2 feels okay. 3, we've got counter rotation. That seems to have gone in. Right, managed to get under 5. Counter rotation. We seem to have lost a bit of the full set. Check these, all those seem alright. A 6, I can't even get under 6. Let's try a light tension. Whoop, there we go, that was 6. So with that paracentric keyway and those pins in, it helped that I knew what was there, but no, it seems a bit more interesting, a bit more fun to pick now. So we'll leave it at that for the minute, and next time we shall try a few other modifications and see how good we can get it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.